Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Skylight calendar won't turn on, the screen stays black, or nothing happens when you press the power button, it's time to check few key areas before assuming the device has completely stopped working. Power related issues can sometimes be linked to charging problems, cable connections, outlet issues, or temporary software behavior that prevents the Skylight calendar from starting normally. Fortunately, many startup problems can be investigated with a few simple checks that take only a couple of minutes. In this video, I'll show you several things you can try to help get your Skylight calendar powered on and working again. Try these. Step 1. Check the power cable connected to the Skylight calendar. Step 2. Try a different outlet for the Skylight calendar. Step 3. Inspect the charging port on the Skylight calendar. Step 4. Leave the Skylight calendar plugged in briefly. Step 5. Restart the Skylight calendar if possible. Step 6. Test the Skylight calendar power button again.